Hi, Namaste everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, edufuturestar. Okay, now in the exercises 1.1, we already saw first main and the second main. Okay, now we are entering to the third main. In the third main, they are asking about the distributive property, which we already learned that. Okay, let me write the distributive property. Okay, see, this is what the distributive property formula. A is multiplied with B plus C, which gives A into B separately and addition sign A into C. This is what the distributive property. Okay. Now let's look into the question. See here, 673 is multiplied with the 272 minus 673 into 72. This is what our question. Okay. Can you guess here which is the common thing? Which can we take it as A here? So A is 673 because in this both the cases 673 is a common thing. Okay, let me take it as a common thing. 673 is A. So 272 is about B. Here one small difference. Here we have a positive sign, but in the above case we have a negative sign. No need to get confusion there. Okay, instead of keeping a positive sign, we'll take it negative sign. That's it. Okay. Next, 72. This is what the distributive property format. No need of right hand side. Okay, because they have given in the right hand side format as it is. Okay, so let me take it only the left hand side. Now let's simplify these two. 673 as it is. 272 minus 72, which gives 200. Which gives 200. So now let's multiply these two things. 2 3s are 6, 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, and 2 zeros is added. Okay, this is what our answer. 1,34,600 is the actual answer. Okay, now let's see the next question. See friends, second question is minus 546 is multiplied with minus 22. We have addition sign in between. Then again minus 546 is multiplied with minus 78. Okay, see here, what is the common thing here? 546 and 546 is common. Let's take it out. 546 is our common thing, that too negative sign. Minus 546 is our common thing, and what we have? Minus 22, and here we have minus 78. Minus 78. Getting it? Now let's see the answer. 546 minus 22 and minus 78, which we already learned in a sign operation. If we have a negative sign in both the case, negative into negative becomes positive. So we have to add these two terms and let's keep the highest number sign. Okay, greatest number sign we have to keep it. So here the greatest number is 78, which has a negative sign. Okay, let me keep that negative sign over here. So negative into negative becomes positive. Let's add these two. So 2 plus 8 is 10, 1 carry, again 8 plus 2 is again 100. So total what we are getting? Minus 100. Okay, now let's multiply. See here, minus into minus, this is actual multiplication, right? In the multiplication case, no need to take greatest number sign. Here sign will multiply, that's it. Okay, negative into negative becomes what? Positive. 546 into 100, which becomes 54600. Okay, 54,600. This is what the answer. Okay. Okay friends, now let's see the third question. Okay, third question is what? 199 is multiplied with the 26743, and we have a negative sign. In the bracket we have again one more value, minus 26743. Observe here, in previous questions we are getting 4 items or 4 terms, right? But here what we have? Only 3 values we have. In these 3 values, how can we use a distributive property for these 3 values? It's very simple. We already know identity property, right? Let's use that identity property over here. See here what we have, 26743. If we write into 1, will it change? The value, will it get changed? No, right? It obviously itself. 1 is multiplied with any number, so obviously the number itself will be the answer, correct? Now let's do this one. Here we have a negative value, here we have a positive value, right? So let me remove this bracket first. That is what our first job. Observe the next sentence. 199 is multiplied with 26743. Minus into minus becomes positive. Again 26743 into 1. Now this is in the format of distributive property, right? Now let's take out the common thing. So I take out the common thing. So 26743 in bracket 199 plus 1. Okay. Now here 26743 200. Correct? This is 200. Now let's multiply these two things. We will get the final answer. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is what? 5, 2 zeros added. Okay, 6 and here. Okay, now see 53,48,600 is our answer. Okay, getting it? Now we finish the third main. Okay, so in the third main, simply they are asked about the distributive property. We have to use the distributive property and solve the problem, simplifying. That's it. Okay, now let's move on to the fourth main. Okay friends, now let's see the fourth main. In the fourth main, they are asking about, we have to state the sign, that too without multiplying actual question. Okay, we have to state the sign. No need to do multiplication and all. Okay, let's see here. We have the first question, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Okay, no need to multiply all the values. So what we have to do, we already learned in a sign operation. I'll give one hint for the sign operation. Okay, that will helpful for to do the sign operation or a sign problems like this. Okay, that will helpful for that. So the hint is, when you have even number of negative values, that time the result will always be positive. Just keep in mind. Okay, this is very important. And when you have an odd number of negative values, okay, that time the result will always be negative. Remains the negative value. Okay, see here. We have even number of negative values, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values have a negative sign. Okay, 4 is a even. We know that. So obviously the result is positive. Easy. Now let's see the next one. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number has a negative sign, so obviously it will be positive. But see the question. It is multiplied with a 0. We already saw zero property, right? We already saw the zero property. 0 is neither a even number nor a odd number. Getting it? So here the answer is 0. Okay, there is no negative sign, there is no positive sign. Remember it? Okay, now let's see the third question. Third question is what? 10 into minus 9, 8, 5. Here we have only one negative item, right? Only one negative integer is there, right? So for this negative integers, only the negative answer will come. So the result will be always be negative, right? Okay, now we completed the fourth main. Now let's move on to the fifth main.